So today we are going to learn after, before and between. So the learning objective is students will be able to understand the concept of after, before and between of 2-digit and 3 digits number. Now students, let's revise before, between and after of 2-digit numbers. Now here you can see some of the numbers it is given. So let's start from the before. So here 1-digit number it is given 6. Now you tell me what number will come before 6. Yes, very good. 5. Now which number will come before 10? 9. Which number will come before 88? 88 is the 2-digit number. So which number will come before 88? Yes, 87. Now let's move to between. So here you can see 3 and 5. Which number will come in between 3 and 5? 4. Now here it is given 15 and 17. Which number will come in between 15 and 17? 16. Now 62 and 64. Which number will come in between 62 and 64? 63. Now let's move to after number. So after, that means we have to move forward. Before means we have to move backward. So here it is given after, that means we have to move forward. After 7 we will get 8. Then here it is given 13. After 13 we will write 14. Now here you can see 99 it is given, and you have to think yourself which number will come after 99. Now here you can see the after and before number of 3-digit numbers. So one number it is already given the example. So here you can see 127 it is given, and you have to write down the forward number, that means after, and backward number, that means you have to write down the before number. So here you can see 127. What will be the number after 127? Just like 2-digit number, you have to also write down the 3-digit number. So after 127 you will get what? 128. Then before 127 what you will got? Yes, 126. That means you have to move backward. Now here you can see 221. After 221 we will get 222, and before 221 we will get 220. So here also you can see 673 is it present. Now after 673 you will get 674, and before 673 you will get 672. Here you can see 73, 74, 73 before 72, but the 100 place digit always remain the same. So like this, let's move to another one. Here you can see 310. So after 310 we will get 311, and before 310 we will get 309, because before 10 we got 9, and after 10 we get 11. So in this way you have to do these all 3-digit numbers after before numbers. Now here let's see the between numbers of 3-digit number. Let me write down here 623 dash 625. So which number will come in between 623 and 625? Yes, very good. 624. 624 will come in between 623 and 625. Let me write down another example. 348 and here 350. So which number will come between 348 and 350? Yes, very good. 349. So in this way you have to learn all the between numbers of 3-digit numbers. So the learning outcome is the students will develop the clear concept idea of after, before, between, the position of 2-digit numbers and 3-digit numbers. So it will clear all their concept idea about after, before and between.